I don't know. There it must do.
Yeah, no problem. No, it would be. No, it would be because they've got to keep some work coming in for our Willie now.
She's keeping them.
It
Good.
swings and roundabouts. But they've got. I mean, they've got plenty enough to do all the time. In any case, what's a bit more? You'd probably get him off yard another day, wouldn't it? So, you know, I'm only joking. But no, I'm sure. I'll tell him, and I'll send you the details, and then they can ring you. No, yeah.
Number 9, red one.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, no problem. I'll pass all that on, and I'll send you his details. All right. Have a good night tonight. Bye.
She gets that.
Well, then.